Next would be some user defined exceptions. Okay, here we will have like some error exception, and we can change the output of the input error. We can change. We can have input error. We can have transition error, and we can just put whatever text we want here. Here we can change the message, the expression of that input if we want, and here we can just construct this error. And next, like here we have two class. We have one class, basic one, two classes that inherits from this class with two constructors, and we'll see more classes just next one. That's mostly nothing. Just some we can just, now that we have them, we can just call on them, like raise, let's say, one raise transition error, and here we have transition error, but we need actually with that's the thing about having the, let's say, the constructor, so it needs something like three variables, a 2 3, and we have something like this, three arguments, like the constructor takes three arguments and you give it three arguments. You can do some really, this is like a template. This code is available in GitHub and you can use it if you want.